Hi, I'm Gary Barnes, founder of Gary Barnes International, and I'd like to talk to you about solution selling sales training. And what I mean by that is how do we really connect to that perfect client so that perfect client sees us as their perfect solution? And the first thing that I'd like to suggest is to ask clarifying questions. I have, over the years, really understood that it's the better question that I can ask that leads me to an answer that leads me to another better question. So I'm on a quest for questions, not answers. And if I'm asking questions, it's not about my agenda. When we have a predetermined outcome in mind, then it's about me, not about them. I'm also thinking, and when I'm thinking, I'm not listening. The art of active listening is a lost art in most business arenas today. And if you're actively listening, you're going to have questions that will pop up into your mind. And if you're brave enough, ask those questions. They're going to actually think you're clairvoyant because they're not going to realize that they have actually asked you or told you something that created the real problem or the real question that they were wanting solutions for. And when you ask that, they really understand that you are centered and you're with them. Many times I'll ask audiences, particularly the ladies in the audience, when do you know a man is listening to you? And inevitably, I get the laughter that goes through the audience. And I say, that's not a rhetorical question. When do you really know? And the answer is when they're looking at you in the eyes. And so when we're asking questions and when we are truly wanting to know the answer, the story, they will respond with good information so that we can facilitate the right answer for them. The last thing is to be in the prospect's timing. So much of the time that we go into a situation and we really want the sale, we want that interaction because of the needs that we have in our businesses, our lives, what are the things that we want to fulfill for our personal gain. But there is something that I created years ago in my business coaching clients, is that's called now, later, never. We have used different resources over the years that said, okay, what's an A client, what's a B client? We had criterias. I simply go by their timing. And now client is someone that says, yes, I'd like to engage now. I'd like to take the next logical step. A later or a never client is just someone that is saying now's not the right timing. The key here is the later and the never, we don't know which one it is. But if we violate the later or the never, they're never going to truly engage with us because they don't trust us. If we really get in tune with where they are, where they're going, and the timing in which they're going there, they will be clients for years and years. So I hope this has helped you in solution selling, sales training, in knowing how to truly connect with that perfect client for many years to come. I'm Gary Barnes, Gary Barnes International.